All right, guys, today we're going to finish prisms and cylinders with the surface area. So we actually will be talking about surface area as well as lateral area. All right, so we're going to have a prism, we're going to have a cylinder. Surface area is literally the area of each face. So for instance, in this one, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. You could just, if you don't want to memorize these formulas, you could just break it into how many pieces there are, find the area of all of them, and add them together for every single lesson we're about to do, except for sphere. But otherwise, you could just memorize the formulas. And we're going to have lateral area as well as surface area. So first we have prisms. We have lateral area. And lateral area is everything without the base. Okay, so the lateral area of a prism is P times H. Okay, we'll talk about what P means. And surface area is PH plus 2B. Okay, P is perimeter of base. Okay, B is still area of base. So notice lateral area is just without the area of the base. Okay. All right, and while we're writing the formulas, we're just going to go ahead and get the cylinder. The lateral area, instead of perimeter, is circumference. Okay, and circumference, as you know, is 2 pi r times h. So the surface area, the perimeter is 2 pi r times h plus 2 times pi r squared, which is the area of a circle. Okay, so that's surface area. So let's go ahead and talk about, we're only going to find the surface area. The only reason I gave you the lateral area formulas is because sometimes you're going to be asked to find the lateral area, so you might as well know how. Okay. All right, surface area. We're going to say this, sorry, that keeps scooting. This is the base. So the perimeter of the base is 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2, which is 10. Okay, we need the height, and the height is 4. We need the area of the base, and that's 3 times 2, which is 6. Now we're just going to plug in all those pieces. Okay, so surface area is equal to 10 times 4 plus 2 times 6. Okay, 10 times 4 is 40. 2 times 6 is 12. 40 plus 12 is 52 inches squared. We're back to area, so it is squared. Okay. All right, let's look at example 8. This triangle is the base, and that 14.9 is what this is. So this is also 14.9. Okay. All right, so the perimeter of this triangle is 10 plus 12 plus 14.9. I do not know why I decided I needed a calculator for that. 36.9. Okay. The height of the prism is 20. Okay. Then the area of the base, it is a triangle, so it's 1/2. The base of this triangle is 14.9. The height of the triangle is 8. Okay. So 14.9, half of 14.9 times 8 is 59.6. All right, we're going to add all those together, not add them together. We're going to set it up in the formula. Surface area is perimeter times height plus 2 times the base. Or like I said, you could find the area of each piece, which is what we will actually do in composite figures, actually. 2 times 59.6. press numbers today. So 857.2 millimeters squared. Okay. Last, we're going to find the surface area of the cylinder, and we are going to use 3.14. So the surface area is 2 pi times radius times height plus 2, I gotta move my calculator to the other side, plus 2 times pi times 3 squared. And I'm literally going to type that in. It does say use 3.14 for pi, so 2 times 3.14 times 3 times 4 plus 2 times 3.14 times 3 squared. And that is 131.88 centimeters squared. All right, that is how you find the surface area of prisms and cylinders. You should be able to start working on questions like that now.